Hello, my name is Mark Miller. I'm the founder and president of DirtyBlinds.com. For 37 years, we built a business model that delivers real, measurable profit. Not theories, not guesses, but proven numbers from decades of working in this field. As you review our website, you will see that our company has been built on choices. I'll explain that in a minute. While driving around your town or city, just take a look around at all the blinds in homes, schools, office buildings, and restaurants. They're everywhere. There are literally thousands of people selling blinds, but nowhere near enough people cleaning or repairing them. Blind cleaning is one of the highest margin service businesses you can start. Why? Because the overhead is low, the demand is consistent, and the profit per job is strong. Let me give you an example of some real job pricing, some real revenue potential. Here's what the numbers look like in the real world of blind cleaning. Prices vary depending on their width. That's how we charge. We go by the width of a blind. $20 to $45 for a standard aluminum or vinyl mini blind. $45 to $100 per blind for vertical blinds. You usually see those over a sliding glass door. $25 to $85 per honeycomb and pleated shade. And $45 to $120 for silhouette or luminette blinds. These are Hunter Douglas's more higher end blinds, and we love cleaning them. They're easy, expensive blinds, and easy to make the most money on, cleaning and drying. And the customers love that service because of how much money they spend on those very expensive blinds. $40 to $60 for a pickup delivery charge or an on-site mobile cleaning visit, depending on the distance you travel. One person can clean between $500 and $900 for every 6 to 8 hours of cleaning. It all depends on what you're cleaning, of course, and whether it's a pickup delivery or on-site in a mobile trailer or truck. These numbers do not include the added revenue for any repairs that are being done. These aren't inflated numbers. These are the same prices we've charged for decades and the same prices that we instruct our clients to charge. Now, they can charge whatever they like, but we highly recommend what we've been charging for decades. The profit margins that make sense. Your cost to clean a blind is extremely low. Pennies for water, less than $1 in cleaning solutions, and a few minutes of your time for labor. Typical margins for cleaning blinds are 65 to 80% for standard mini blinds, 70 to 85% profit on fabric blinds like pleated shades, honeycomb blinds, silhouettes, vertical blinds, all those type of fabric blinds. 90% plus profit on on-site mobile blind cleaning jobs. Now, the exciting part is it's not a one-time thing. It's a reoccurring revenue from property managers, hotels, hospitals, restaurants, and commercial buildings. This is why blind cleaning is such a powerful business. The margins are real, the work is steady, and the ROI is fast. Not to mention, you will never run out of blinds. Here are 3 revenue streams to get a faster ROI. With DirtyBlinds.com, you're not limited to one way of making money as a service. We'll show you 3 proven service models that multiply your earning potential. Number 1 is the same-day pickup delivery service. High volume, high margins, and ideal for residential and commercial clients. Customer drop-off service. Low overhead, simple to run, and extremely profitable. And you don't have to travel anywhere. On-site mobile cleaning. The premium service we pioneered is still the most profitable model in the industry. A lot of people try to duplicate what we've done through the years with mobile cleaning, but don't even come close. Most businesses only have one revenue stream. Oh, let's go pick them up. You'll be shown 3 different ways. Now, I remember earlier I discussed in the beginning about the brand power of your own name. It's your choice. You can build your business under your own name, say Bob's Blind Cleaning, perfectly fine. Or license our federally registered trademark name, DirtyBlinds.com. Say you're on Long Island, then you would be called DirtyBlinds.com of Long Island. And instantly tap into the reputation that we've been building for over the last 37 years. Either way, You're building a business with a proven system behind it. Free training equals a faster payback period. And here's where your ROI gets even better. All of our training, hands-on and online, is completely free when you purchase a blind cleaner from dirtyblinds.com. By the way, we're still the only company in the industry that offers 24/7 online training and support. Gotta ask yourself, why is that? If all these other companies are so good at what they do, how come they don't offer an online training support system? Say you're out cleaning in the middle of the night and you can't remember how to clean something and the place that you bought your machine from is closed. What do? You're not paying for extra support from us. You're not paying extra to learn the techniques that protect your profit. No bells, no whistles. That's what the competition would love to sell you. You get everything you need to start earning immediately. The bottom line, with the right training, right system, and 37 years of real world experience behind you, most new customers and owners recover their investment quickly because the margins are strong, the demand is steady, and the business scales easily. dirtyblinds.com, where experience turns into profit and profit turns into your future. Thanks for your time, and below you'll see some testimonials along with some videos, short videos, of showing you how wonderful our machine cleans, how quickly it cleans, and how good it cleans. So please, any questions you may have after you set up your appointment to have someone call you, most likely me, I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have about the ultrasonic blind cleaning business. Again, thank you for your time.